I will show you how to preserve fresh pork belly in a jar for a long period of time without refrigeration. I will cut 1.5 kilograms of pork belly into smaller pieces. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Now I'm going to make the spice mix. I will add 30 grams of salt, 20 grams of salt per kilogram of meat. A teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of pepper. I will mix the spices. The amount of salt must not be reduced because botulism does not develop in a salty environment. I will roll the meat in spices. I have prepared the meat and will chop 4 cloves of garlic. I need clean and washed jars. I add 1 bay leaf to each jar. Peppercorns. Chopped garlic. I will fill the jars with meat. I will fill all the jars in the same way. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I will cover it, and from the moment the water boils, I will cook for 3 hours. If the water evaporates, add hot water. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark place until use. Before use, heat the contents of the jar to 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Botulism poison is thermally unstable. It's a safety measure. Now we will try the pork belly as it looks. If you like the video, leave a comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.